Welcome everyone to another episode of Ziflow Pro. In today's episode, we're going to talk about electronic signatures, a new feature in Ziflow that seamlessly enables creative teams to demonstrate compliance with FDA record-keeping requirements. Let's go. Exceptional creative sometimes requires more than the right color palette or tagline. For creative teams in highly regulated industries, meeting regulatory standards for maintaining creative assets is just as important as producing quality creative work itself. Creative teams can now stipulate that review and approval decisions on assets must require an electronic signature within Ziflow. To do so, a proof creator just needs to tick the box to enable electronic signatures for a proof. When enabled, reviewers in Ziflow must provide credentials when making an approval decision with a confirm and sign prompt. This applies the reviewer's signature to the asset. Once an electronic signature has been applied to an asset, all decisions are marked as electronically signed on the proof's activity log for complete visibility and auditing.